Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video, and in this video we are going to learn about vertical and horizontal scaling. So let's get started. Suppose your application is deployed on this server which is of 2 CPU and 6 GB memory, and there is a one user accessing your application. What happen when your application is going to be used by 15 million or 150 million user? Basically your server going to be crash and there will be your application downtime, and this will definitely going to decrease your organization value. The customer going to be very unhappy with your services. So what is the solution for that? So there is a two solution. First is a vertical scaling and second is a horizontal scaling. So let's understand first vertical scaling. In simple terms, in vertical scaling, we increase the size of server. What it means? We increase the number of CPUs and memory and deploy our application on a single server. And what is the issue of that? Whenever this server is going to be down, your entire application is down, and will be a downtime and customer will be unhappy, your organization value going to be decreased. And second is there is a limit of increasing the server size. Well, as you cannot increase, might be there will be a one limit to increase the server size. So to solve that, we use horizontal scaling. Same problem, there is your application is deployed on one server which is of same size and memory, and one user, suppose there is a 150 million user going to reach this server, hit your server where your application is deployed. As we discussed, this server is going to be crash, so we use horizontal scaling. Okay. What is horizontal scaling? We increase the number of same size of server. Suppose we are using 2 CPU and 6 GB RAM of memory of a server. We duplicate that server of the same configuration, same settings, everything same, but we are copying, making a replica like thing. Okay. And this is what horizontal scaling. But there is also one issue, how you are going to configure each server, and so for that we use load balancer. So what load balancer do? Load balancer, we need to register all server in a load balancer, and a load balancer equally distribute to this server and this server. The load is distributed to each server equally based on the strategy we use. And this is what a horizontal and vertical scaling is. Basically, we use a horizontal scaling, which is very used in the industry and stuff. सो आई होप यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, बाय।